Look what we got in today. We have some nice carbon fiber pieces for the A pillar, and then the B pillar, and then the C pillar, and all the pillars you need. Just basically these things right here. We got them all in for today's install. We're gonna make it look all carbon fibery. It's gonna look good. The fiber is gonna look fibre. There it is. Now it looks really realistic to me. Oh, a reflection. So account for, but it should sit something like that. Fiber goodness. Oh yeah, I got my monthly box today too. This is by Cargazette, if you haven't heard from them. They have a lot of cool gear. Chemical Guy's actual clean gear, which is super sweet. They got electric tape for me because they know I do Android head units. I'm just kidding, they just ship it. Got shirts and stuff, posters. This one says, Deb can't slow me down. I'm actually wearing the shirt too. This is actually a really dope shirt for Halloween. Yeah. S15, I believe. On some Cosmos Racing's RPF1 looking kind of wheel. Also repping one of the stickers. You know, just trying to stay festive, guys. Alright, look at that. Looking pretty dope. Look at that finish. That's how it looks. Here's the side, there's a logo. Sika. I might have to put a logo on top of that. Sorry. That's how it looks like on the doors. Oh man, it looks nice. Of course, if you have the window visors, I need to put more adhesive, or new adhesive, because I took out the old adhesive. So if you have adhesive, you have to put some new double N 3-sided tape. And you got one right here too. Oh, forgot, there's one more piece right here. Right, there it is, guys. I know it's kind of hard to tell, but I mean, it's not very hard to tell. These things are now actually gloss. Actually makes a pretty big difference. Yes, that's a phone on top of my car. But there you have it. I like it. Maybe with the windows up, it'll look a little bit even shinier and cooler. Now the old side still looks really good too, so if you keep it OEM, it's still perfectly fine, but if you're looking more for a little customized look, go check that out. Carbon fiber is definitely pretty nice to have, because sometimes when people close my door, they close it by this. So having this like more, it's a lot more sturdy than the matte black tape that has, like, surprisingly, you can see those greasy fingertips a lot easier. But there you guys have it. Now I gotta just wash my car. Peace out, guys.